is rising, and I've been cold for so long.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Motsepe and today I am sharing with you my Christmas top-up grocery haul from Checkers store. So I didn't buy a lot of things because sorry, my throat is so dry, guys. I didn't buy a lot of things because I still have some left. So my Christmas top-up grocery is this, what is going on the table. Then it's not much, guys. It's not much. Let's get into the grocery haul. So I will start by my kids' snack. It's not much. I bought them these sweets. They love them. It's a pack of 7 sweets each packet. So I changed biscuits also, and I got them spheres. I got them lemon creams. Even when my son eats the cream and throw away the biscuit, still fine. Then I got this Simba peanut butter also. Simba peanuts. What's the peanut butter coming from? These are Simba peanut salted. Then over here, this one is not from Checkers. It's the pink salt, the lifestyle food Himalayan crystal salt. We use this one. I think it takes me the whole year because the one that I'm using, I started using it in January and I'm seeing it's going to the finish line. And I got some extra large eggs. This grocery costed around 1,200. Yeah, it costed around 1,200 because things are expensive. This extra large eggs is 4 dozen, which are costing 870. Normally I buy eggs from somewhere which they cost me 110 and they are 5 dozen. And over this side, our juice is orange juice, Oros. Then I've got some Milo. In Nigeria they call this Milo, but here we say Milo. Some energy drink. It's so nice, even though I don't drink it, but people enjoy it. Then we have an Excella sunflower oil, which was 69 rands. Everything was on cooking oils was ranging to 69 rand, so I opted for this one. Then I have the Kepu spicy mango acha. We buy it now and then. I still have a full bucket, but you know, it works a lot, this one. Then my boy's favorite spread, peanut butter. I couldn't find the black cat, so I opted for Tokoman. It's also nice. We have the Nola mayonnaise squeeze bottle. Then I do the Maggie chicken flavor 2-minute noodles, beef flavor noodles. I bought 2 packets, which there are 5 inside. So now for the teens, we have, oh, this is a snack also. I forgot to pack them in categories. So it's an ultramel vanilla custard. They do enjoy them. Now for the canned food, I have a Bull brand corned meat. I bought 2 tins. I have cool beans in tomato sauce. I bought 2 tins also. Then this is a spice barbecue. The one that I was using is finished, so I bought a bottle one so that I can go buy the one for refill. I was using the refills, but they keep on spilling, so I hate that. And now I'm into this chakalaka mild and spicy for my gravy. When I do my gravy, I use this canned chakalaka mild and spicy. So I bought 3. I still have 1 left. Over some toiletries, I do have a status, which is a top up. This is a roll on. We use this in the house, all of us. The aqua fresh is for him, intense white and shine. And I bought two toothpaste. I have myself some in Nectar Ruby Red. I liked this color, so I'm constantly changing colors on my hair, but so far I think I like this one. Then Colgate Herbal is for myself, and I bought Lux bath soap. This I bought 2, and the other one is being used, even though the other one, there's still other ones where I put my toiletry. Then this is for me. I do always the cotton one. This is for my son. You know, they don't even use it that much. They just chew the brush and it will be finished in no time. So I bought him another one. Then these are my Cortex panty liners, which I like them a lot. I like this product a lot. So on to my kitchen detergent. I bought a dishwashing liquid refill, the lemon one. I think I'm loving it. The smell, it smells so nice. And I bought a bleach. This you can see is a house brand. Then for my fruits, I've got apples. This is top rate apples. They are expensive, but you'll never go wrong with top rate. And I have these bananas. They are nice also. So that is it, guys. This is the rest of the grocery. And do enjoy your Christmas. Like I told you in the previous video, that enjoy your Christmas, enjoy your new year, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.
One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know the